Hey everyone, I'm reviewing these refrigerator water filters made by AquaCrest. These are compatible with the Frigidaire PureSource water filter system. So if you have a Frigidaire refrigerator, you're probably going to be able to use these. They're also compatible with Kenmore. I was paying so much for these previously, but now I get a 3-pack of these from AquaCrest for a fraction of the price. And what's great about having this 3-pack is that each one lasts 6 months. So this is going to last you a year and a half. These filters use coconut shell carbon to filter out the water impurities, which makes your water taste great. To remove the filter cup, you just want to twist it to the left and just keep twisting until it comes out. I just remembered that it's best to put down a hand towel underneath in case some water spills out during the process. Now you simply twist and pull out the old one. Look how dirty that one is. Now I have my new filter from AquaCrest and I'm ready to put it in. You simply place it up there and push up until you hear it or feel it snap in place. Now you want to place your filter cup back over the filter and turn it to the right to make it tight. And what's really cool about these AquaCrest filters is that they come with month stickers. So 6 months from now is January. I put January on there so I'll know when to replace it. Afterwards, you do want to filter the water for about 5 minutes or 2.5 gallons worth of water just to break in the water filter. So this is my first glass of water after trying out the new AquaCrest filter. Let's try it out. Yeah, that's good. This tastes just like the water from my old Frigidaire filters I used to use. So if you're looking for a more affordable option for your Frigidaire or Kenmore water filters, but you still want your water to taste great, then I highly recommend these water filters by AquaCrest.